how to create account on Fworld application. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your account on Fworld application. So simply click on Fworld application and then you can get it from Google Play Store. And now to create your account, you just need to click on this option. You can see here on the bottom right of your site, profile option. Simply click on the profile option and then here you will find the option to register or to create your account. So here they had given us the three of they had given us the three option from Facebook, Google, and your register mobile number. So let me just do it from Facebook. So you have to click on this Facebook icon and then it will automatically create an account for you. So here let's go. They're saying error. So guys, let us go back and let us try it out in mobile number, or let us go for Google. So let me just click on Google, select your email ID, and then here you can see my profile has been already set. So here in this application you will find lots and lots of features you can see here. So I hope in this way you can create an account for Fworld application. If you like the video, please give up the one thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.